Moving on to October, when the AI race really heated up with the rollout of ChatGPT Atlas, which is OpenAI's browser, which definitely, if you've used it, you can see that you can use that conversational assistant with, and an AI agent in tandem with the web. So this was pretty cool. However, it wasn't actually the first agentic browser. By then, Perplexity had already released Comet in July. Andrew, are you using either of these, or are you just having Claude kind of do everything for you?
Well, I absolutely began using Comet back in, I think I got it in May, because I was on an early beta program. Anyway, long story short, I switched from Chrome to Comet May last year, and I haven't gone back. So I've said cheerio to Chrome for all this time. Now, of course, as we saw yesterday, Google's hardly going to sit there doing nothing. So they're obviously adding more and more agentic capability to Chrome. Obviously, we had the Atlas browser from OpenAI. Microsoft Edge is going to do the same. The agentic browser will be just a standard thing. I can't see how it won't be. I think in terms of its impact on search and PR, etc., it's obviously from a user behavior standpoint, as more and more people use agentic browsers. I mean, clearly it's going to affect how they interact with content. I mean, I do it all the time. You go to a web page and you think, great, I'll just click the assistant button and say summarize the page, or from a PR context, analyze that page for sentiment, entities, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So that there's I think, let's be honest, we classically, we open up a page, we kind of scroll, we read, we might click the odd link or two. That's been the extent of our interaction really with websites for since Netscape, and that's clearly changing. I'm not part of the camp that says, well, actually, if you take agentic AI to its logical conclusion, who needs a website anymore? Just get your agent to go off and just do stuff. So you, the human being, don't need to even sit there interacting with a browser. I don't quite see that happening as a kind of universal behavior in the next few minutes. But there are going to be some people who will go that route. But yes, the use, the exposure of pretty much everybody on the web through their browsers to AI agentry, if that's the right way to describe it, I think is going to have quite a profound impact on both user behavior, which in turn will have a knock-on effect clearly on so many things.